have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi, I want to order some food, please. I'm so hungry. What? I'll have a slice of pizza. I'll have a cake.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Mix the ingredients first. Awesome! Now pour them into the mold. Oh yeah! Now you can put it in the oven. Which cream? Milk flavor. Our delicious cake is done. This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it together. Spread a layer of sauce on the dough. What topping? Mushrooms, tomato, bacon, tomato. With cheese, it'll taste even better. Put the pizza into the pizza oven and bake it. Wow, you've made a delicious pizza. Here's your order. Pizza, pizza, cake. Pizza, pizza, cake. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi.
It's really delicious. It's really delicious. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
What kind of desserts do you have? I'll have a sandwich.
I want to have a donut.
This is what the customer ordered. Bake the bread first. Wow, mayonnaise is my favorite. These are full of lettuce, bacon, lettuce, tomato. What a delicious sandwich. Put the dough into the pan and fry it. Look, there are a lot of creams. Choose strawberry flavor, green pea flavor, strawberry flavor, green pea flavor. Top it it with candy and it'll taste better. Wow, you've made a donut. Here's your order. Sandwich, donut. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
You know how to make...
Oh, the food is fantastic. Here's a coin.
Hi, I want to order some food, please.
I heard that they have good drinks. I'll have some fruit juice.
I want to have some ice cream.
This is what the customer ordered. Let's make it... Wow, the ice cream looks really yummy. Add syrup and it'll taste even better. Add some delicious toppings. You've made a sweet and delicious ice cream. This is what the... What fruit juice do you want to make? Pear. Pear. Mommy, I can't wait to make some fruit juice. Whoa, the fruit juice is done. With ice, it'll taste even better. The delicious fruit juice is done. Here's your order. Ice cream, fruit juice. Welcome to our cafe. You have a customer. Go ahead.
Hi.
Here's a coin.
It's really delicious. Here's a